Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen microcomputer and game consoles. And today also we will see some more computer. So the next computer is mobile computers. Mobile computers are smaller in size than the microcomputers. And there are many mobile computers are available. So let us see what are the type of mobile computers. The first is cell phones, smartphones and handheld computers. This can be held in hands and have limited capabilities compared to bigger counterparts. This operates on small batteries inserted inside. So the cell phones computer are smaller that can be carried in a hand and have limited processing capabilities than the microcomputer. And it operates on the batteries that inserted inside them. The next is laptop and notebook computer. These are bigger than smartphones or handheld computers but can be easily carried in a briefcase, purse, backpack, etc. Laptop and notebook computer are bigger than the smartphone computer, but it can also be carried anywhere with the bag or with the briefcase. Tablet computers. These are smaller than the laptops but bigger than smartphones. These have a touch screen and have no physical keyboard. Tablet computer are bigger than the smartphone computer and smaller than the laptop computer. It has a touch screen, so we can operate this computer with the touch only. It has no physical keyboard. The next is programmable calculator. These are small handheld computers specialized for mathematical and scientific calculations, etc. These are also mobile computer and it is specialized for mathematical and scientific calculation only. Handhold game consoles. These have same purpose as that of fixed game consoles, but these are smaller and portable. Some popular game consoles are Nintendo 3DS, Sony PlayStations, Nvidia Shields, etc. हैंड होल्ड गेम कंसोल भी गेम कंसोल की तरह होते जो हमने पिछली बार देखा था, बट दीज आर स्मॉल देन द गेम कंसोल and it is also for the gaming purpose. In the market there are many game consoles available like Nintendo 3DS, Sony PlayStations. Next, e-readers. E-readers or electronic readers are mobile electronic devices used for the purpose of reading digital electronic documents such as e-books or e-magazines, periodicals, etc. E-readers is a device that is used especially for the reading purpose. If you want to read digital or electronic document, so we can use the e-readers. And e-readers also has many types in the market like Kindle Voiga, Kobo Arc, Nook Glowlight, Sony PRS 73, etc. The next computer is mini computer. A mini computer is a computer that has processing and storage capabilities more than microcomputer but smaller than the mainframe computer. Mini computer has more processing capabilities and storage capabilities than the microcomputer but less than the mainframe computer. Mainframe is whatever we will see the next computer. So you can say that mini computer are intermediate between microcomputer and mainframe computer in size, speed and capabilities. So we can see that mini computer is a intermediate between the micro and mainframe computer in various criteria. And this computer is used in small scale industries, छोटी फैक्ट्रीज में यूज़ होता है.